Hello student. See chapter number 5th, that is winds. See what is mean by wind. We feel the wind but cannot see it. That means wind means the movement of air is called a wind. Okay, then how it is generated? That is generation of wind. We know that the air pressure is not uniform across the earth surface, that are different, and air moves from high pressure areas towards the low pressure areas in a horizontal manner. It is simple. Then winds are generated due to this horizontal movement of air. Okay student, due to this horizontal movement of air, winds are generated. Then what are the velocity of wind? See, the extent of difference in the air pressure affects the velocity of the wind. And if there is less difference in the pressure, wind flow with less velocity. And if there is a more difference in the pressure, wind blow with high velocity. And wind velocity is measured in the unit of knots or kilometers per hour. Okay. Then rotation of the earth and the direction of winds. See, the direction of winds is influenced by the rotation of the earth. We know that our earth rotates around itself, and due to the direction of winds is influenced by the rotation of the earth, the winds gets deflected towards the right of their original direction in the northern hemisphere. See here, northern hemisphere, and towards the left of their original direction in the southern hemisphere. And the rotation of the earth from the west to the east causes this change in the original direction of the winds. See, these are all about rotation of the earth in the direction of the winds. Then we learn types of the winds. See, on the basis of direction of blowing, the duration, the regions covered, and the condition of air, winds are classified into three types. That is planetary winds. Then next one is the local winds, and third one it is the next seasonal winds. Okay student, these are, see here, seasonal winds. These are three types of winds. Then mostly winds are known by the direction from which they blow or by region in which they blow. See, mostly winds are known by the direction as well as from which they blow or by region in which they blow. See, that is first one is that the planetary winds. See, the winds that blow regularly on the earth from high to low pressure belts throughout the year are called the planetary winds. And these winds cover a large portion of the earth. And for example, the easterlies, the westerlies, and the polar winds. See, planetary winds again classified into three types, that are easterlies, westerlies, and polar winds. In both the hemispheres, the winds that blow from the mean latitudinal high pressure belt, that is between 25 degree to 35 degree parallel to the equatorial low pressure belt, that is between 55 degree and 65 degree parallels, are called westerlies. See, and in the both hemisphere, the winds that are blow from the polar high pressure belt between 80 degree and 90 degree parallels to the subpolar low pressure belts, that is between 55 degree to 65 degree parallels, are called polar winds. See, polar winds between 80 to 90 degree. See here, polar winds. And then Westerlies which is in between 55 and 65, see here, as well as in a 25 and 35 degree parallels. Okay, then easterlies is mostly in a 25 to 35. Okay student, these are type of winds. The winds are mainly classified into three types, that is planetary winds, local winds, and monsoon or seasonal winds. And in planetary winds, again winds are classified into three subtypes, that are simply easterlies, westerlies, and polar winds. See, easterlies, it is between 25 to 35. Then westerlies 55 to 65 degree, and polar winds in between 80 to 90 degree. Okay student, so today we what learn, we take an information about winds, then generation of winds, as well as rotation of the earth in the direction of the winds, as well as velocity of winds and types of winds, and detailed about the planetary winds. Okay students, so today we will stop here.